Hi guys, and welcome back to Whitney's Wednesdays. So today is kind of a different video. I wanted to show you guys how I made my dream vanity into reality. Let's get started with the small accessories. These are dollar frame signs from the dollar store, and all I did was find some really cute images from the internet, and I just googled them and printed them and placed them right into those frames and got some command hooks and just put them right alongside of my vanity lights. Just give it a cute little touch. And my desk is actually a 7-foot wide office desk that I had found on Buy Sell Trade for only $40. So I snagged that up and refurbished it, just sanded down and put some black matte furniture paint on it. This little guy is great. It is a 2-outlet wall tap. You plug it in and where your lights go into the same outlet, and then it Bluetooth connects to the remote, so it's really easy instead of crawling underneath your desk to plug it in and out. I'll post a picture that I got them from Amazon. This thing has been a lifesaver. Next up is my palette holders. Honestly, I took these from my old job. They're just envelope/paperwork organizers. You could Google them, Amazon them. They're a lot cheaper than trying to actually purchase a makeup palette holder. Next up are my gorgeous vanity lights. I purchased these from Amazon. I'll show a picture here exactly which ones I got. They do come in different sizes and different amount of light bulbs, so always double check that when purchasing them, as well as a plug from Walmart so I can wire all this. It is super easy. I highly suggest getting a man to do it for you because that's what I did. So this giant mirror is actually a contractor mirror. That's right, it came out of a house off a wall when they first built it. So we just used some hooks to drill it into the wall. It is ginormous, but honestly, Buy Sell Trade is your best friend. You could find one just as cheap as I did. And what you're seeing on my countertops is black marble vinyl from Amazon. This was really easy to apply. It's kind of like a big giant sticker, and you just smooth out all the air bubbles. I really wanted something smooth to go over on my desktop because it's wooden. So dust or powders or liquids were really hard to get off, but with this, it just slides right off with a paper towel. Getting back into these small accessories around my vanity, I really wanted something to show off most of my lipsticks, so I found this guy. He's a little on the cheap side, a little thin and plastic, but I received him off Amazon and he does his job just well. And I got this for reasons if you can't tell, but this was something just on clearance at Walmart. I thought it was cute to go on my table and hold my wet beauty blender so it could dry and not collect bacteria. Here I wanted to show you what's in my drawers, kind of giving you an idea of how I organize and how I reuse candle holders and going to Dollar Tree and just getting cheapo little holders. Dollar Tree is going to be your best friend here. I also have in this drawer just a 3-story organizer. This originally is what all my makeup used to be in until, it got out of control. But now I just keep things that I don't think are as pretty to be on top of my vanity, as well as I keep all my tech stuff just kind of thrown about. And of course, can't forget about my beautiful vanity chair, which just came from Office Depot. And yeah, there it is. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching today's video. I really hope this inspires you and helps you get some ideas for your vanity. And again, I am so grateful for my boyfriend Mike for helping me turn this dream into a reality. I love my vanity and I wouldn't want it any other way. So thank you so much again, babe. I love it and I love you. And thank you guys for being here. I will see you next Wednesday and I love you. Bye.